How to fade in and fade out video in CapCut Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the CapCut application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now select a project over here. As you can see on the screen, I've already selected a project. So simply select on the video over here. Take the video to the phase where you'd want to add the fade in or fade out effect over here. Simply select on effects at the bottom of the screen and tap on video effects. Now as you tap on video effects, you can simply tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and you can simply search for fade in or fade out, whichever is more convenient for you. So I'm going to search for fade in, and here you can see the option fade in. So you can simply tap on fade in and you can just apply it on your video. So here it's fade in. Now if you want to fade out as well, you can simply go back over here. So let's just go over here and then tap on video effects again. Select on fade out over here. Now let's search for fade out, and as we search for it, you can get the effect right over here. So tap on fade out as well, and then now you can just go back and you can see the effect has been applied. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.